Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So Xiaomi 12 is the next flagship smartphone series from the company. Xiaomi's founder and CEO, Lei Jun, took to Twitter to confirm that the all-new Xiaomi 12 series will be the world's first smartphone powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile platform. The Xiaomi 12 lineup is expected to bring multiple smartphones, including Xiaomi 12 Pro, but there were barely any Xiaomi 12 Pro leaks until now. In a fresh leak, screen protector of the alleged Xiaomi 12 Pro has been revealed. The screen protector appears to have a smaller footprint than the Xiaomi Mi 11, so it is assumed that the upcoming Xiaomi 12 Pro will feature a smaller display. The device may feature a curved panel and a relatively smaller punch-hole camera on the front. The Xiaomi 12 Pro is likely to be one of the first phones to launch with the newly launched Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. In a tweet, the company said that the Xiaomi 12 series is launching soon. In a different report, Gizmo China got hold of a screen protector of the alleged Xiaomi 12 Pro. The screen protector was placed aside from the Mi 11, and it was found out that the smartphone may have a smaller screen size. The Xiaomi Mi 11 is a reasonably big device at 6.81 inches, so it is supposed that Xiaomi Mi 12 come in a slightly handy size at 6.67 inches. The screen protector has curved edges, so it seems as if Xiaomi will carry the curved edge on the Xiaomi 12 Pro as well. It has a centered punch-hole camera on the front, unlike the Mi 11, plus the punch-hole is reported to be a tad bit smaller. The smartphone will certainly be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor is Qualcomm's first chipset based on a 4nm manufacturing process. Qualcomm claims up to 20% faster CPU performance and 30% increased efficiency than the Snapdragon 888 chipset. The chipset relies on a 3-cluster design, in which the main core is clocked at 3.0 GHz. Among the other 7 cores, 3 performance cores run at 2.5 GHz, and the remaining efficiency cores are clocked at 1.8 GHz. As per which, Xiaomi 12 could feature a curved OLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display may have a centered punch-hole camera on the front. Reports suggest that Xiaomi may use an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for authentication. In another leak, it has been revealed that Xiaomi Mi 12 feature a triple camera on the rear. The leak adds that the camera's setup is placed at the top left corner of the phone. Besides this, Xiaomi 12 is supposed to feature an AG glass rear panel. The Xiaomi 11 was equipped with a 108-megapixel camera system. So it is now to be seen what changes Xiaomi makes to improve the camera system on its upcoming flagship. If we go by the leaks, Xiaomi 12 will get a 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN5 primary camera. Besides this, Xiaomi 12 is said to offer 100 watts charging. The main reason behind Samsung Electronics' decision to halt production of the Galaxy Note series is the increased production of foldable smartphones. It can be seen that the decision was made to stabilize the yield of foldable production and reduce costs by improving process efficiency, thereby replacing flagship sales in the second half of the year. Prior to this, Samsung Electronics shipped 12.7 million units of the Galaxy Note series in 2019 and 9.7 million units in 2020, respectively. Samsung Electronics' annual shipment target for the Galaxy Z series next year is 13 million units, exceeding that of the Galaxy Note series. The next flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S22 series, is expected to go on sale after being unveiled through Global Unpacked in February next year. The successor to the Galaxy Z series is expected to go into mass production from the third quarter, in line with the release of Galaxy S22 series. Well, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.